Hey guys, so welcome back to Stack, and today I'll be showing you how to fix a black and white video on Zoom. So guys, if you ever encounter this issue, it is a very simple fix. First things first is go ahead and go to Zoom Workplace. And now over here guys, you can just simply go ahead and go for the gear icon up at the bottom left corner of the screen. And now over here, you can just simply go ahead and go for the video and effects. So here, as you can see, you will have multiple options. So make sure you have the correct camera, because sometimes if you don't have the correct camera, you are having problems. If we scroll down, we have the appearance. So make sure to turn off adjust for low light. So sometimes these are the reason why you are having some problems. And if you have other options available, make sure to turn it off. And also when it comes to the virtual backgrounds, guys, make sure to select none, because you don't need other extras, because that might have the issue. And pretty much that's all you could do when it comes to the video settings. Now, if it doesn't work out still, try reconnecting your webcam via USB if it's connected into your computer, and sometimes that fixes the issue. Now, if it doesn't, you could just simply go for the device manager over here into your computer. From here, guys, you could just simply go for your cameras, as you can see over here, and right click on it and select update driver and select search automatically for drivers. So when there is any update, you should be able to see the update over here, and you should be able to download it. And sometimes that alone can fix the issue, or you could just simply uninstall it. And after that, you could just simply go ahead and restart your computer, and automatically it can fix the issue. I hope this video helped you understand more, and thanks for watching.